So guys, just received a package from AliExpress for the Voge 300 Rally. Some new bark busters, because the ones that are on there like a chocolate teapot, they're good for nothing really. First bang you get on the bike, they're going to damage your levers. Let's just have a quick look and put that down on the table. So yeah, they appear to be really good quality. Good size aluminium bar inside, good thick sturdy build quality. Let's have a look. So obviously you've got the two bike busters that come in the pack, and I believe there's a couple of kits. There's a few ways of fixing these. So I've got the extra bar end weights that fit into the end of that slot, so the slot fits perfectly into the end of the bar end weights. I suppose you could use the ones that are already on the 300 Rally, but these seem quite sturdy, good weight to them. You get the brackets for the other end, obviously. They're attached to the handlebars, again sturdy billet aluminium, all the kits there with them, and you get some bar end plugs if you want to mount them into a bar end that's just an hollow bar, so you can go straight in with them. So pretty much everything you need in the kit is supplied, and I'll get them fitted on the bike, and then we'll have a look how they look on the bike in more depth, and I'll give you my idea how they look aesthetically and how they feel weight wise and how they feel for protection. Obviously going to be a lot better than the plastic ones that are already on there. They say these are specific for the 300 Rally, but I suppose they could fit on anything really. They're pretty generic looking at them. The handguard is more of an open handguard, so it will let some air through, as opposed to the one that's already on the bike. But the one that's on the bike is very, very flimsy. You may know from the video over the Voge a couple of videos back when I took a tumble on very slimy mud, that the handlebar protector didn't do much. You just cracked in half and bent the lever back. So these will definitely stop your levers bending, guys. So we'll get them on the bike and we'll have another look. So guys, the rain in Spain, it's been like this for the last fortnight or so. Just show you outside quickly, and it's bouncing down, bouncing. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, but from the looks of this, I think we'll wait and see. Right, okay. The bark busters, or the copy bark busters, have gone on. Very, very sturdy. Aluminium bracket there, bolted through on an under bracket, bolting onto the front. They come with replacement bar end weights with a notch in the end. They are branded. I can't actually see the name on them. It's quite faint on there, but there is a branded name on there. They're very, 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 very sturdy, guys. There's no decaling on the handguards themselves, but they're very, very strong. You could certainly lift the bike up with that, no problem. If you're going to get a bang on the bike or a bang on these, they're not going to damage your levers, so your brake lever or your clutch lever the other side. So yeah, overall I'm pretty pleased with them for the price. They were fairly cheap on AliExpress. I can't remember how much exactly, but I'll put it in the description below, and I'll put a link. Yeah, they went on okay. The only problem I had putting them on, they come with two rubber grommets to go on the handlebars, and I said before I thought they would be generic, and I couldn't manage to get the two plastic spacers in there, so I put a bit of rubber in that I've got to trim off with a knife neatly on this side when I get a chance, when it stops raining, and the same on the other side. You can see it on the back there. So I put one in one side and a bit of black rubber around the other side to compress it in. But yeah, guys, really, really, really sturdy. Don't add any width. The same size bar end weight that we had before, although it was in black, it's now in silver. I was in two minds whether to put it on, because the other one, the bar end weight, is recessed in the side, so it hides that nut in that gap, and you've got a slight gap there. I suppose these grips will move over. The grips have got a flange on the end that may well move over in time with wear, but yeah, very, very sturdy Definitely much better than the originals that were on there. The originals not good for anything apart from keeping the draft off your hands, actually. So I may well look to put them on the DSX 900 as well, just on the off chance that the handguards get hit by something and damage the levers. So guys, I'll put a note in the annotations below and a link to the AliExpress page for the Voge 300 Rally handguards with, I would think it's a good 5-6mm aluminium rail. Good billet aluminium, a good strong aluminium the other side. So all in all, very, very strong, even sturdier than some of the branded ones I've seen in the past. So guys, quick video there. Take care. I'll catch you in the next one. I'll go and paddle back up to our house and try not to get too wet. Take care, ride safe, peace out.